Hello again, welcome to the Mastercam course. At that lecture I'm gonna create some solid part by using the SolidWorks. Actually I'm creating some part and then I'm gonna click and plane here. Okay, this is front plane. After that, and let's create some polygon here. I'm gonna click here and here. After that I can select that line and then I'm gonna make them and horizontal. After that I can click the dimension options to be able to give my diameter. This is the millimeter actually. It can be like this. Okay, and then of course we can turn to the features options, extrude both options, and then we can write here and our extrusion distance like this. Okay, maybe we should make them like this, and then after that actually I can turn back to front view again. Then maybe we should create some circle here. My circle can be like this. I can click on the dimension, it can be 100, and then I can click feature and extrude button again. This direction I can change my direction, and then we can click here. This can be like this. Okay, that's it. This is the easy part actually. Maybe we can also click here, or we can select our face. Oops, sorry. We can click here and that part, and then maybe it's gonna be like this. Maybe we should create some slot here. Sorry, I can click here to be able to create my slot actually. So I can start from here and here. We can create that kind of slot here. We can click that line and maybe we should make them horizontal again, and then we can use the dimension options. While we are creating our dimension, to be able to create some position according to origin, maybe we should organize that kind of actually distance. Okay, it's done. Okay, so we can also use the dimension for that's radius. It can be 8 mm, and then we can exit the sketch by using the that's button, and then we can use extrude cut options here, and then we can write our distance here. Maybe my distance can be 10 mm, and OK button. Okay, after that we can save our file. While we are saving our file, actually we need to use file. I can hit here, oops, sorry, hit here, and then file and save button. Okay, and we can use our desktop. And then I can write here, this is the actually Mastercam Lathe file. Okay, let me turn to my keyboard here. It can be face toolpath. Okay, and then I can click the save button. Okay, that's fine. This is the SolidWorks design. After that, I'm gonna turn to actually Mastercam. At that part, we save our part and SolidWorks part. Actually, we can also use the Save As button, and then we can change our Save As type. We can turn here and we can select Parasolid or and maybe step 5. It's also possible to select that kind of and the types. Okay, that's it.